next up are the long tabs, right? They come in two different sizes, wide and narrow. If you remember, or if you've seen one of the videos that came out that sort of wowed the industry was when Charles picked up the front of the car. This is the tab that was used to pick up the front of the car with the engine in, right? Incredible, incredible tab. And more recently, I picked the back end of a BMW up, and that was with this tab that was in here. Now, when I first saw this tab, I sort of was a little bit delicate with it. I was afraid I was going to hurt it. When I came out and saw Charles, he said, no, try to break it. That's part of the magic of what makes this such a great tab, is how strong but flexible this is, right? We are taking this plastic and folding back and forth, right? And just about every plastic I've used, if we bend it that way, it's going to break and crack. This, I have not been able to break yet. That is part of the design, right? It's part of what goes into making these tabs special. These long tabs are incredible. It allows you to get exactly where you need to be. You can go around corners, get on two planes, right? The long tab from Camauto